Hi there everyone! Before I begin, I would like to say one thing. Summer has begun! Now, what do you do during the summer? Well, I guess obvious, you go to the beach, go on crazy rides,
Господи боже.
you do something funny, and of course, you find true love. Ah yes, the beach. The beach is a nice place. You can have fun with your friends, meet new people, get a sunburn, but not for this girl. Smacked by the ocean. Damn, that was kind painful, but oh my, do not expect that the beach can do that. No, remember it. Man, I'm talking shit all the time. Indeed. Maybe I just should stop talking and just say my verdict, okay? So, let me think about it. This video will be... whoa. Having problems in your relationship? Feeling like you need to get closer to your loved one? Then I have the answer for you. Try out our super swing. With it you will know how much you care for each other, even though if you want to let go. As much as it looks dangerous, I would actually like to try it myself. Well, about the video, let me think about it. And my conclusion is, wait, it's WTF, of course. The next video is, wait, it's two babies dancing. I'm sorry. Well, I don't really think I have to even tell what I'm gonna make this video, but for the show of it, I'm still gonna do my thing, okay? And... hell yeah! Lol, lol, and again lol. The next video is a girl is trying to propose to a boy that she likes him, but she does it in a quite interesting and a creative way, so let's see.
Have us a good time, and I'll get to call you mine. Yeah, I sure love it if you go. So, can you stand up, please?
First of all, I'd like to say she is a brave one for trying it and doing it. Well, she did it in a creative way, but I'm really glad she did. Well, if they ever have any problems, they can try the super swing to know if they actually care for each other or not. Anyway, this video will be... wait... lol. Well, I'd like to say thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. And as always, please follow me on my Facebook page. And I'd like to say, please enjoy your summer and try the best way you can spend it and with no regrets. I also want to try to do my best, okay? Well, and as always, this is LOL or what the fuck. Have a nice summer!